The number you have dialed has been changed. The new number is...
We are prepping. For what? Where are we going?
Atlantic City.
Atlantic City.
Truck meet.
You following me?
Yeah, I got you, Ronnie.
Fucking Diesel Benz came. It's not done. It's a mess, but it's getting there. Listen to this. Oh God. What? It sounds like shit?
all the rest of the door down.
Whistling Diesel wouldn't be able to break that door. That door would just close nice every time. Swear. So now, we're working on my truck. We had Thomas do a little paint correction because since I bought this thing, it looked like somebody took sandpaper to it from the dealership. So we buffed it. Jeremy's doing my first oil change. How many miles do we have on it?
6,000?
6,000 is that bad? I don't know. I was gonna send it, but maybe change it. And now we're gonna do graphics. It's gotta look sick for the show. I haven't gone to a diesel truck show in a long time. Christian is not coming with us, and he's mad about it.
No invite.
Never invited. Wait, I don't know, my radio, my phone won't connect to my radios and listen to shitty XM.
Hey, scroll through your Rolex.
What?
I used your card. Plug it in it. Hey,
Oh,
I
shit.
shouldn't have hung it up. I should have filled mine up.
my card
Can you get out of the way? Yeah.
This is the place we rented, Airbnb. Comes with trash and an open door. Dude, this whole place is leaning like this. Wait. This place, like, in reality looked really cool online. But, you know, we were like, wow, look at this nice dinner table. It's miniaturized. Look at this.
Hold on.
Jeremy, watch your head. Wait, shh. Something's gurgling down there.
It's the condensator from the AC, Laurel.
Oh my God. I fucking touched it. No, wait, I got it right now. It literally moved the string. I'm good at this. Watch. Ready?
Oh, shit. All right, stop.
No, one more time.
Video games, you fucking idiot.
I just had it.
It's
Wait.
like Terminator.
Somebody won today.
Who?
No, with a $3,000 purse. Yeah.
Oh.
We got
Stop.
One more.
Stop swiping it.
Listen, if he win, y'all gonna go crazy. You gonna go crazy. I swear some lady won today.
Oh, let's go.
Come on, John. You gonna go move?
He get that. I'm right here to verify.
Oh, fuck.
That's a good little bag, eh?
I'm broke.
He's broke. Bang, bang, hey, whoa, hey. Fucking whoa, hey.
Got 16s on it.
Jeremy's all pumped. This is the first time he valeted anything in his life.
Single cab short bed, first in the world, kitchen.
First, all right.
Single cab
The
short
first.
bed. That's my 13th fucking one.
Did he
coilovers.
short bedded?
Yeah, short bedded.
It's looking great.
We're gonna fuck that up tomorrow.
I think you just dented it.
Nope. Hold on, wait.
Not that it matters because you already dented it enough, but
I can fix it.
get all the whack out.
All better.
No, it's not. It's still there. Still there. You guys here for the fuck fest? I mean truck fest?
Where'd I go?
Need help?
The tree scratched me so bad.
The PVC pipe. These tires are fucking. All right, you ready for the size of this? 20 by 45. Wait, I was right. It's 20 by
16.
What's the 16 mean?
It's a different
What's that?
military tire size.
What's 16 feet? 16 cubicles? 16 nanometers? What are they? I would like to know. Jeremy, what does 16 mean? Huh? Is it a European tire? What does it mean?
Well,
Does this have a kilometers per hour speed limiter? Look at this thing.
the sad part is
It's fucking sick.
driving this shit.
They're what? This thing's sick too.
Driving these around.
I mean, imagine driving here. Look at this. Look at Jeremy. He looks like a little child next to it. Whoever you are, it's fucking badass. This thing, badass. Look at it. All dented up. No fucks given. No fucks given.
Jeremy, give me a rundown. Whoa.
She's not happy. Yeah, chill out, lady.
Well, it's got an eco boost. It's got an eco boost in it. It's only on leaf springs. Pussy.
I know, it looks good, right? Tanasi, where are you, huh?
Run!
I love second gens. This
I
truck
love
makes me miss my truck. He actually, this kid was inspired by my truck.
Really?
He told me, yeah. He told me at Gio's truck show.
Same wheels.
Or car show, whatever, yeah.
Yeah, it is.
It's fucking sick. It's done. I love it, honestly. It's not nice. Nitrous, look at that. Badass. Yellow roll cage inside. And a non-cracks dash. Boss. My dash cracked like 3 times. I was like, what the hell? Just rip it out and put a new one in. What's up? We have found Jeremy.
I haven't had breakfast yet.
You miserable or what?
Yeah, I kind of don't want to do it.
I think you need to do it. Maybe just don't fucking go crazy. I mean, you might have to.
Look what's
But-
next to me. Look at, see the bed next to mine? That's what my bed will look
Oh,
like.
shorty?
No, it needs to be.
It's fucked anyway.
We might cut it tonight.
What? Oh, is that the one who he wants it done?
Dude,
Oh.
we talked about doing
I think
that.
you should go your bed like that. Did you tow that thing here?
Yes. And I just, yeah, no, there's a lot of good competition. And
He's gonna blow the tires off those?
yes, he just put them on.
What?
The stickers are still on it.
Jesus. Those wheels are gonna get destroyed.
Yes.
Alright.
Look at this. This is how long it's sat. So he had his own event,
Yeah.
and it did all that shit to the bed, and the spider web's been growing on it since.
Wow. I say just send it.
Now that you're here, I will. When it was just
What did you
me-
think? We're not gonna come here?
Well, I thought it was gonna go a lot faster, but everyone's breaking shit. That's like the 9th truck to get pulled out like that.
This guy's fine. Look at it. Look at this. Look. Deep breaths, Jeremy. Deep breaths.
Oh man, it's way different. when
Yo,
you
we
have
just
the
gotta
shop.
bump Young Dolph.
We-
We should probably bump Young Dolph.
yeah.
All right.
Beach.
Fuck yeah! That was it. Woo! How's she looking?
Oh my god.
That was good. That was good. That was fucking bad. We did hit the wall.
We did. Dude, I took the fucking wheel off.
Watch over this guy.
That one's good.
How are we looking?
It's fine.
It's fine?
I'm buffing that
It
out.
was just a little tap. A little
buffing
love tap,
that
dude. It
out.
wasn't bad. That's good. Oh. I think we should do another one. Fuck, he smoked the wall too? Jesus.
Yeah, that's nice.
Jeremy, you gonna buy this one?
Well, I have 7 of them that I do nothing with, so should probably start.
This one. This is my color style. Look at this. Look at the interior. Little pin sharpen. Oh. Don't look too there. This. I love it. What's up? It's your truck? It's fucking sick. Thank you. Bubba. Great plate. Follow me on Instagram. We will. That's not the. It's not the clear shrinking.
Yes, it is.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
It's a tape line, okay?
I know what it is.
No, it's just a build. It's a tape buildup, all right? He sprayed these.
Yeah, and you don't think they blacked
And-
the whole truck?
No, because you spray this, then he did the green with a brush,
I know, Rob.
and you
I know.
see the line through it.
And then he re-cleared it again and blocked the
Then
whole
cleared
truck.
it. Yes, but
And then the
that
clear
will always
shrunk when it dried.
no. You'll always see that line.
No,
unless
you won't.
he.
No, you
Yes,
won't.
you have to clear. See, he should have sprayed all this, cleared it,
You don't understand.
sanded it again,
Yep.
then done the green line, and then cleared the whole truck again.
Well, that's probably what he did.
That's
'Cause
no, he
usually,
didn't.
Usually
he
they do our
He
work
didn't
on top
because
of
you wouldn't
it.
see that.
Is it only
I
the?
know.
Is it only the green?
He does. Stick to the single color paint jobs, buddy.
I know.
Look at that. That's sick. This is all custom.
Yeah. Look at even the 3D printed.
Can Jeremy cut these? Is that aluminum?
Yeah.
That aluminum? That's
No,
plastic.
it's plastic.
Very good paint job.
I couldn't see.
Wow.
And then I came out of it.
Plus, like, did he make that bumper and the body kit? Like, I've never seen that stuff. Yeah.
And the hood.
Wild. Yeah. The Merits. What are those? Those are from like a third gen?
Trying to figure out which way is the right way. And I was like, all right.
Yeah. But way cooler.
Big vlog guy.
Big vlog guy. Shit.
Oh, we're vlogging. We are. We're vlogging today. What's up? Sam, he owns the lab.
Yep.
Yeah.
And everybody else over there.
He was just a big phony.
Yeah. He's actually getting the scooter right now because his calves are about to explode.
Are you serious?
Yeah, no, he's chafing. He said.
Oh.
He forgot his breather boxer, his
Oh,
throwback
jeez.
boxer.
Oh,
Throwback. Yeah.
he must have some huge balls.
Huge balls, right?
That's why, huh?
That's
He needs those.
It's a lot of chafe.
They're just fat. It's a small sack, but a fat ball.
Slam it now?
Yeah.
Yes. Please. Good.
I'm actually mad that I came here because I didn't really care to modify my truck any more than it is. Now I want to do a million things to it. My wheels are too skinny. I'm mad.
Yep.
You agree?
Yeah, I agree.
One fender run, and he's
100%.
gonna regret the whole build.
Yeah, you just gotta start cutting.
I already did. I already notched this out, and I already did that once.
Really? Into there, you know.
Yeah, you just bring this line right down.
My mom's gonna kill me.
Look at those two friggin' sausage fryers.
Yo.
These Ubers,
This is sick.
These Ubers are getting expensive.
Damn, this is badass. It's my intern's birthday. Wait, let me get him. Hold on. He just lost his virginity last night. Hey! Come on.
My legs.
Been in the truck for like 5 hours.
My voice. Everything hurts. My feet.
It looks good with the lights though, huh?
On my bed.
How you feeling, Jeremy?
Oh, great.
I can't wait to go to bed.
I've never been so tired in my life. Stayed up way too late last night. We were up to like 4 a.m. Why? I don't even know yet. What else? Atlantic City was awesome.
It was.
I would go again. Now I know what to do when we go there. So we have to wait in line for 3 hours and all these other things. So, and don't rent an Airbnb unless it's like a fucking house on the water, which really isn't that much if you get like 9 people. So next year will be way better.
Get our own booth.
Get our own booth, own house,
Minivan.
yes,
Transport.
drive around,
We'll park all this shit. Don't
stick
drive around.
Hatem Graphics Racing stickers down the side,
Yes, the whole thing.
install the NOS.
Definitely not copy DDE at all.
I mean, it's a good idea.
It is a great idea.
They had a good idea.
You can't. I kind of
It's a
like
good
it.
idea. What else? That's it. Jeremy's, I'm surprised the truck's driving, you know. Most people that enter the burnout competition trailer to everything. He's like the only one.
Did you see the red one?
There's one of the kids that smoked the wall and he was driving home. His was way worse than yours.
Oh yeah. That all.
It actually looked, I think he did some damage.
Oh, he fucked it. Yeah.
I don't know, it didn't look like it on the road, right? Hey, he's got balls. Jeremy has some balls too, apparently. Alright, we all filled up?
Yes.
The final push. What we got? 2 hours?
No, hour and a half.
Oh,
Oh, yours is farther. You want to go to
mine's like 20 minutes. I'm sleeping in tomorrow. Don't call me.